Kia ora tātou e te whānau, kua tai mai nei tēnei pō. Tēnā koe matua Grant. Reflections of a 30-day boot camp. Tino kino te pai e hoa, tino pai. For me, there was more to the course than learning our reo. It built up my confidence. I made the commitment and stuck with it. It was a challenge. Mātaki, tūhi, pānui, kōrero, I hauahau, I kaiahau, I moiahau, for 30 days, I ngā wā katoa. The structure for the course is tū meke. Daily tasks, the pressure without there being pressure to finish these tasks. I look forward to them ia rā. Abundance of information that we were able to access. The fact that we could ask pātais and you would respond. Nā mihi Grant. Kia ora koutou, anyone considering joining the course? Nau mai, haere mai, uru atu. If it's a challenge you're seeking, confidence building, structure, most important of all, learning our reo, this is a safe place to learn. We're all learners. Kaua e whakamā, mahi a te mahi. Matua Grant, wete, kei whia mai te rā. Nā mihi mai hoa kia koe Grant, ho Māori.